If you like this video, make sure to click that notification bell so you get a notification anytime I upload a new video. Hope you enjoy. Hey, what's up there YouTube? How's it going? So you just heard me make a cricket noise with my mouth, and today in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to do that sound. And by the way, the reason why I decided to make this tutorial, even though it's not exactly a beatbox tutorial like I usually do, is because this cricket sound can get some really funny reactions in real life. For example, I'll be in a kind of noisy classroom or something like that, and I'll just start doing the cricket noise, and everybody quiets down and starts looking around all confused, and you got that one guy like,
"Is there a cricket in here?"
So yeah, you can get some pretty funny reactions doing this sound in real life. So that's why today I decided to teach you a cricket sound. And by the way, before I get into this tutorial, I just really want to apologize because I haven't been uploading often at all. And the reason for that is because I'm a lot busier nowadays. Like, I'm in my final year of high school and I have a job now, and I feel bad about not uploading much, but don't worry, I'm going to try to be much more consistent with how often I upload videos. Alright, so now I'm going to get started with the tutorial. Alright, so this is completely optional, but before you do the cricket sounds, I would suggest drinking a little bit of water, because for me the cricket sound is harder to do when I have a dry mouth, so I think water would help you out with that. And alright, now I'm going to actually start teaching you the steps on how to do the cricket sound. Alright, so the first step in order to do this sound is to take your two front teeth and put them right on the inside of your bottom lip, just like. And a good way to think of the mouth position for this sound is this mouth position is very similar to if you were about to give somebody a kiss. So pretend your crush is right there and you're about to give them a kiss, like, and just put your mouth in that position, like, and there you go. Now you got the proper mouth position in order to do the cricket sound. Alright, and now the second step in order to do the cricket sound is while your two front teeth are on your bottom lip, you're going to want to exhale or breathe out, and you're going to want that air to pass in between your two front teeth in order to create a whistle sound, like. And it might take a few tries to get the perfect position for the whistle to sound good, so just move your two front teeth around a little bit, find the best position, and eventually you'll get a good whistle, like. Just like that. Alright, and now the final step in order to get the cricket sound is while you're getting the whistle from in between your front teeth, you're also going to want to lightly roll your tongue at the same time, like. So you're going to take the whistle, like the rolling your tongue, like, and combine them and do them at the same time in order to get the cricket sound, like. And if you just tried that out and successfully got the cricket sound, then congratulations, you now sound like a cricket and you're done with the tutorial. But not everybody's going to get the sound. And I feel like one reason why somebody wouldn't really understand how to do this sound is because there are a lot of people that don't really know how to roll their tongue or roll their R's. So if you're one of those people, then stick around because I'm going to help you out with that. Alright, so pretty much how I roll my tongue is I take the tip of my tongue and I put it on the roof of my mouth right above where my two front teeth are, like. Just like that. And now, while the tip of my tongue is on the roof of my mouth, I make sure to keep my tongue very relaxed. I don't keep it tense at all. I just keep my tongue nice and relaxed. And while the tip of my tongue is on the roof of my mouth and very relaxed, what I do next is I make sure to breathe out or exhale air. And I have that air hit the tip of my tongue, and that should cause your tongue to flap or vibrate or roll, just like. And that's pretty much how I roll my tongue, so hopefully that helped you out as well. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today's tutorial, and I know this wasn't one of my typical beatbox tutorials, but it still is a cool sound effect that I make with my mouth, and I thought people enjoy it, so I was like, why not try something new and make a cricket sound tutorial, you know? And I really hope that this tutorial was helpful for all of you. And if you have any sort of questions or you need help on anything, then feel free to let me know in the comments and I'll answer your questions and help you out the best I can. And that's pretty much it for today. So if you like this tutorial, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, follow my Instagram called KevinYouTube, or click that notification bell so you're notified anytime I make a new video. And now that's officially it for today, so peace!